Chat. It's a mess. It's clean to the best of my abilities. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking to the gas, cause we don't know how. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dakota. If you're new here, if you're returning, welcome back. This is going to be a reset, clean, I don't know. The bathroom is a mess. My room is a mess. It's not bad, but for my standard, it is bad. Child, I have been just swallowing and swallowing, so I need to like come out of the swallowing. So our agenda for today is to clean the bathroom, clean my room. I don't think I'll be able to wash, but if I'm able to wash, we're going to wash as well. And the possibilities of collecting the package. The package that I'm collecting is from Alibaba. There's this day I was on, I don't know what I was doing, but the ad come off of Alibaba. I'm saying, come and download it. What the worst I can not Alibaba, AliExpress. And I did download it. I was able to choose 2-3 things and then buy something. So I said, oh, this is nice. So I did it. I was just testing the waters. So that package is supposed to be here today because I changed my shipping company. And I feel like the one that I have now, they're kind of like faster. Their communication is way better than my previous shipping company. So I should get it today because I ordered something before it came Monday. I got it Thursday. So I'm holding them to the same standards. We're going to get something to eat now. We're gonna stop. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so. And this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking to the gas, because we don't know how. I'm sweating so much. Why my phone I told me some other storage? I feel like it's because I changed the resolution from HD to FHD. To me, there's no difference. I don't know if something wrong with me. But we're about to start cleaning because it's now 11 o'clock basically. I'm one done. Okay, so right here, that's where my face, my eyes and stuff are. Then the counter, the bag, the cotton, just going there this morning. Can we just use all of that? Then you have the bin. Okay, the bin needs empty. Then I need to do my laundry. And then I just need to wash the mirror because I had to wash it because there's this day when I did sick, I'm gonna vomit like hell. So but I think it come out properly, so I'm gonna wash it again. Then the shower. You see that? You see the soap? I have a body wash. Refuse to pull the body wash. Over here, so it's another mess. My lotion, I done. Like, oh my god, for real. Bad, poor. Losing sleep, losing track of the tears I cry. This world and it feels like an eternity. Chase the light somewhere. This world alone. Mercy on my heart. You keep tearing me apart. But it's so good, body like you. Cause I'm in a feeling that the lines have been free. When you're looking at me, I've never felt so happy. You know, dandelion into the wind you go. Won't you let my darling know that? Hi. So I've debunked the bathroom. It's empty. It is robbed of its character. There's nothing. So we're gonna sweep and wipe and wipe in the place. Wishing on everyone that you'd be mine. She has dreams to be, and then be so she don't understand she's worth it. All that really goes deeper than the surface, and you don't have to change a thing. The world could change its heart. You should know you're beautiful. baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try. Just picture everybody naked. Maybe I should start confessing. There's nothing holding me back. Take me places that tear up my reputation. Hi guys, so I'm finished with the bathroom. I'm so tired. It's clean to the best of my abilities, and I swear it's not a performative cleaning, especially with the bathroom, because as I said, for like some weeks back, or probably sometime back, me did sick and like I was vomiting a lot. From me get better, the bathroom haven't been cleaned properly. It's like me clean it, but me never clean it. Me never scrub the crevice. So that's kind of what I just did. Like me scrub every crack I could think for crack. Why? Because I still I smell the vomit. It's like every time I go in the bathroom or even in the room, I smell the vomit, and it's a very distinct smell. I don't know if it's just me or if it's the scent is actually in there. No, we need to clean the room, but boy, tired of broke shot. I don't think I have changed the sheets since getting better either. We just been go through. I promise you, I am not nasty. It's just time and things outside of my control. So given that I have the opportunity to do it today, I am doing all of it at once. I just got an email. A package is there. So I'm giving a preview of the room. Not too much on me now. Okay? Not too much. That's like my little study area. It's not the best. Then you have the bed looking like that. That's the dresser over there looking like that. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Today drained me. Today drained. You think you got it, oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is. Baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. I'm so tired. They could have paid for this tomorrow. So I'm finished, not kinda, I'm completely finished. The only thing I will do is wash, and I'm gonna wash today. I'll wash tomorrow. The cereal finished, but the milk wasn't finished, and instead of throw it away, I could put it down. We just make a cinnamon crunch milk latte. Let's give it a taste test. This is so good, guys. I have been dying to taste it, and it actually tastes so flipping good. It was worth it. It is now 3:54, so 4 o'clock basically. So I need to go bathe and go collect my package. But God, I just don't get it if there's nothing at all. I'm so tired. Hopefully I remember this many years. That is the most exhausting stuff I've done today. It was in the clinic. It's something I said, oh my goodness. It's better if someone done, either somebody hospitalized or somebody I did from the ETA. Remember me tell you? Bro. Anyways, I got my package. It's not much. As I said, I give me an option to choose 2 things. I'm gonna choose the most worthless stuff ever. I feel like this is a fun. I'm gonna need. I swear the place so hot. I'm gonna have so many plastic. Comes with a charger cable, and come with the strap for it. And then this is how it looks. Is it working? Which part of the front? Oh, this one. Oh yeah, you go up to. But all of them feel the same. How far this can go? More than 20? Oh my! Oh my! It passed 50. For export for me. Oh, chat, it looks like it can go up to 100. This is good. I really like this. Look a bit powerful. So this should be like a little pajama set. And a good thing I never wash today because I need water from the wear it. So this is a little shorts. Ooh, I'm so sexy. And then this is the top for it. The perfect pajama set for this type of heat. The material feels almost stretchy and almost, I don't know, it feels like material. Then I chose this. Yes, it says a lash tray. It's a lash tray. Oh, these are soft. Like, you know, some lashes feel hard and sick. These are soft. I'm say soft? Soft. They're very dramatic. They're very big. When I say so them big, I didn't know they're this big, but they're soft. That's everything. I feel like this is where the video ends, to be very honest with you now. Because I'm gonna have no more video. This was supposed to be a clean video, and I did that. I did clean, and I'm finished cleaning. Cut my package, make my package, my unboxing food now. I don't want some put on lashes. I don't know. I don't like the unnecessary things. And the unnecessary things, you know, like, I don't want to go somewhere, I don't go just for the sake of content. I don't want to do me, I don't do just for the sake of content. It pisses me off. So, I don't want to be performative. That's the way. So, I feel like it has to be like planned, or it has to align with my life in order for me to like put it into content. So, but that is it for today. That's all for today. I need to erase, bro. That was a long ass journey to that place.